Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. I feel bad, but everybody's hungry, so we still got to make dinner. Yes, the tyranny of life, dinner eternal. I am Sisyphus. Every day I roll the rock up the hill. Every night the rock rolls down and everybody's hungry again. So what do we got? Other than my case of disease-induced depression. Well, tonight I have a tart pan. You've seen this one before. With a tart shell, docked and pre-baked very lightly. So, I have a pie shell, well, a tart shell. I have onions that I cooked for basically 40 minutes. As you can see, they were cooked very gently in nothing more than olive oil. And then once they were cooked down, I deglazed the pan with a little sherry vinegar. Don't do that every day. So I have onions, I have a tart shell, and I have cheese. Shredded Swiss cheese. The thing about this dish is that everything must be cold when it is put together. So this is the kind of thing you do on a day where God decides to give you rain and you feel bad. So, 4 eggs in a bowl. Yes, we are making what is a very rich version of a quiche. So, surprise, mixed up 4 eggs. Let's throw in some heavy cream. Oh, yeah, don't use too much fat around here. Actually, we don't compared to some of the things I've seen. A little bit of heavy cream. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that would be perfect scrambled eggs. But it's not. It's a batter. This is the kind of thing you do when you have all day and you feel terrible and you just want to keep your hands busy. Yes, in go the onions and the grease and the remains of concentrated sherry vinegar. Don't use a lot of that somehow. I encourage you to be, and thyme. There's a lot of fresh thyme here. I encourage us all to be very circumspect about the use of sherry vinegar. It is good stuff. Just don't abuse it. What we're making is not actually a quiche. The quiche is lighter. This is sort of an Americanized version of it. So, tart shell, which of course is completely invisible. Here we go. How's that? Just a little bit of cheese. So we have a good coating on the bottom of cheese. Yeah, as stated, this is sort of quiche. I've made a few quiches, and they do tend to be very good. They also tend to be a bit lighter and lower in calories than this. So, cheese-lined pie crust. Let's try this up close. Okay, we got a little bit there. I got a mixture of eggs, heavy cream, and 2 onions. 2 onions, 4 eggs, and a slug of heavy cream. Yeah, you'll find the slug measurement on your measuring cup, for sure. That's a joke, by the way, sorry. Just a fair amount of heavy cream. About half a cup should be plenty. Now notice The onions were not diced, they were sliced. So, a little bit more. Yes, let me have it all. Our thyme has flowered, so we have lovely thyme flowers. Wow, that sounds like something out of Doctor Who. I have thyme flowers in my pie. So that's it. And we are well below the YouTube 10-minute time limit. The onions cooked easily for 40 minutes. And my countertop handy-dandy little oven will cook that quite nicely. We will be serving that with a salad. Snack back. Romaine lettuce hearts. Yes, one for 2 people. Little bit of salad dressing. Oil, vinegar, garlic, salt, pepper, French-style mustard, not Grey Poupon. So that's dinner tonight. Idle hands make French food. Well, French-style-ish food. So that's it. This is social media. Please be social and subscribe and do all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.